Intelligent, fully automatic, peanut butter production line. Flexible, modular configuration. Technology-driven, efficient production, meeting diverse needs. From peanuts to peanut butter, every step is precisely controlled by intelligent devices. The fully automated production line significantly improves production efficiency, ensuring consistent quality of each bottle of peanut butter. Peanuts are fed into the chain plate baking oven through a hoist, evenly heated to enhance aroma and reduce moisture, laying a high-quality foundation for subsequent processing. After baking, the peanuts are cooled naturally, and then enter the peeling and screening process to ensure the removal of unqualified peanuts and maintain the purity of each bottle of peanut butter. The peeled peanuts enter the grinder to make delicate peanut butter. Add sugar, salt and other auxiliary materials to the mixing tank. Stir the peanut butter and toppings in a mixing tank to ensure a uniform and consistent taste. Peanut butter enters the vacuum tank and undergoes vacuum processing to extend its shelf life. The sauce cooling machine cools the ground high-temperature peanut butter to a suitable filling temperature. The finished sauce is temporarily stored in a storage tank with insulation layer. The filling machine accurately fills to ensure consistent weight of each bottle of peanut butter. The capping and labeling ensure that the bottle mouth is sealed properly and the information is clear. Finally, the finished product is transported to the packaging station via a conveyor belt. Flexible modular design to meet different needs. Through flexible filling systems and efficient production processes, we ensure that every bottle of peanut butter achieves excellent quality. Assist enterprises in achieving efficient production with ease. Contact us immediately to customize your exclusive production line and make your business stand out in the market competition.